I'm going to show you how to make a very basic dance floor. In this episode, it'll be a nice and basic one, and in future ones, I want to make an intermediate one and an advanced one. But if you have any other suggestions of things you want to see, let me know. But let's get into this dance floor. First, I'm going to insert a part, and don't forget to anchor the parts. And I'm going to change it to neon, that dance floor vibe, you know. Like a short square, maybe like 414. Let's make it flatter. I think that's fine. Maybe a little bigger. Let's make it like 8. Okay, that's good size. I'm gonna name this, I don't know, tile. I'm going to, since this is 8, I'm going to change my move to 8.2, and then I'm gonna control D to duplicate right on top of it, and then do this a few more times. And then I'm gonna take these 5 and duplicate them again and again and again. And bam, I have this nice little row. And I'm gonna take all of these, group them into a model. I use Control G for that, by the way. Name it dance floor. We're gonna put a script in there, and first things first, let's do a variable for duration. Let's change it to, I don't know, 1. And now we're gonna do a while loop. While task dot waits duration do. And now we're gonna have to go through all of these tiles. And if you don't know how to do that, I have a video about tables soon. Whenever it comes out, I'll link it, but it might not be out yet. But the way you do it is for I, comma v in pairs, and we can just do script.parent and then get the children. And now we have the v, which is each individual one of these tiles. In fact, we could even name it tile to make it more clear. And now we can change the color of each tile. And I can just make it color 3.new and make it into a random color from 0 to 255, but we have to divide it by 255 because it takes in a color from 0 to 1. So just trust me on this. Bam. That's that's pretty much it, honestly. Okay, maybe I guess not. I forgot that the script is in here. So we have to make sure that it is a base part. If the class name is equal to part, then we can do this because we don't want to change in the color of a script. And let's see it now. Okay, you see a nice little simple dance floor, man. What do you guys think of this dance floor? Pretty good for the amount of effort it took, huh? And now let's go a little crazy. Let's make it like 0.25 flashing alert or whatever, seizure alert. I don't know what it's called, but be careful. Don't look at this if you can't handle it. That's a little too much. I don't even know what song. Like, comment down below what song would be playing for this. So this is the beginner version. If you guys want to see a more advanced or intermediate version, let me know. Let me know other things you want me to show you how to do. Make sure it's simple because I'm a garbage person and programmer. But yeah. So any suggestions you have for me, just let me know. I'll probably do it. I only have like what, 100 subscribers. I'll definitely read your comment, you know.
I just came here to dance. I'm not going to say anything.
Okay. We're so in sync right now.